Today I introduce my sister to this model. Here is the model that I'll get the same Tim neck. Over the shoulder. And I'm going to have a leg here. The sleeves will be straight sleeves and below will be cut up the lantern here. This shirt we wear with white pants. Then you will have Sister Van Lai come in here. Let us wear. Looks like it will be taller, suitable for middle age. And now we're going to go into the design part. To design this template, I need to prepare a shoulder measurement, neck measurement, chest measurement, waist measurement, buttock measurement, and waist length. In this style, we will cut the length of the shirt to 55. petrol centimeter. Then I'll take the shoulder piece. That's equal to borrowing divided by 2 is equal to 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. I took a paragraph of 16 and lowered it to 4. If you take her, divide her by 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. I connected in. The breasts you take are breasts. Divide by 5 plus ba. 80 divided by 5 plus 3 is 18. I measured from up here. I'm down. 18 building perpendicular lines. Then I'll take the waist down from here and I'll measure it. One paragraph is equal to 35. Take a perpendicular line. Then here you will get the breasts. Divide by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. A paragraph is 22. Then here waist. Divide by 4 plus 2, 64 divided by 4 plus 2. 18 is 18. Let's say we divide the ass by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is 2. And taking over is to 2. Now I want to connect this part. Like this, you have to petrol. This sleeve is a straight sleeve, so from here I'm going straight out. Hands up, make a perpendicular line. Then you will take the door, hand here, let's say 15. From this 15, you're going to build a perpendicular line in. And then right here in the diagonal, the ras 1.5 inches. And we're going to round out the part. 2 hands. And then we're going to do this for the collar. If you put your collar here, you will back 3.5 inches. After Tim's neck, you'll take it down to 13. I connected this part in. And this half here, you're going to draw the neck leg for the collar. This neck leg is about the same size. 2 to 7. Is that we finish the body first. And the previous body on top of that, you can see, is that it's going to have the same drawdown. Here, it was a tuba for years. There are 5 on top of A. 5 pallets on top of the neck leg, huh? Then you'll cut this road open. After I finished it. This way you cut open for me. Give me this place is 7 millimeters of gas. Expansion raw 7 petrol centimeter. Then continue now. We'll do it for the back. I cut later. I'll show you how to open it. I'm going to put on to gas. If we connect, we will get the back hand. In the back, you will. Come in, this is 4. And from here, from this ancient place. You're also going to redraw the old leg. The back body is to 2 as big as the front body. And now I'm going to cut Arabic. And my Arabic model is unsewn. You have to leave the seams when we cut on the fabric. Then, now I can tattoo the back. I cut it on the body first. Then you leave your body behind. This will be the back. The back part is multiplied for a double fabric. Remember, we're going to paint the neck leg to 2. You cut it out. Cut it off. Then continue now. I'll do it for the body first. First, you will cut this road. Then the part. You can also cut this neck according to the body. Let me put it on the back. Then I cut this road. You'll get the collar. After I cut the collar of the body. Before this, you can cut it out. I glued it to the shoulder of the back. Here. I put it here. Put it in this position. Let me when I. As an Arab, I cut this road off so that when I put it on this shoulder. Get in here right. I'll have the neck. The neck will be here. Then you will put it in. And then you cut the dam. Let's cut this road. Then. And now to the cut. For the hand part. This neck of mine I said earlier that it would fold. That's 7 millimeters of gas. Cut it out and put the paper in. And you're going to expand it to 7 millimeters of gas. This extension is 7. After I expanded it, what was left over? Then you'll cut it off. Then we'll arrange for the folding part, ladies. Here, it's got a cup of tea. To lie. Berlin. I have 3 glasses like this. Then you'll cut it back for the neck. And this extra part of the armpit, we're going to cut it out. And then you'll see the collar. It's going to be layered like this. I'll take a look at that. This is the part. This will be the previous part. And the front part, it's going to have this sort of layering. If you expand it, we will have a strap. And when we put it back together, and the back, you'll cut the neck. If we stick it right here, if there's a broken angle, we're going to remember to sharpen it, make it round. I see the front with the back. It will be so. And now, the sleeve is done. Now we go to the sleeve. Your sleeves will be. I can see it has a hand. Squash. So here we'll be in double, here we are in half. I folded it in half. And you have half more. There are these 2 hands. When you put it, this is the shoulder line I put in. Then you will be able to pull it in. You may withdraw this part. Then we'll get the pumpkin-like arm. The part from this hand. From this head and shoulders, you will come out. One of these is equal to 19 gasoline. This one is 19 and this one is 20. That's part 20. You may want to retract it. At the bottom, they all pull out. Then we'll get the same pattern as the picture. Check the model if there is anything wrong with it. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will see and respond to comments when I see you comment. Remember to like and support the channel. Thank you. Hi. See you later.